iPhone SE 2 will be available in 6 colors. The novelty will go on sale on April 3rd. The resource, referring to Chinese informants from Weibo, spoke about the design of the new iPhone SE 2, or iPhone 9. The smartphone will be available to customers in 6 colors: black, white, red, pink, blue and yellow. In addition, a photo was published on which you can see the back panel of the smartphone. The picture shows that the new product is practically no different from the iPhone 8. According to unofficial data, iPhone 9 will receive a single-chip Apple A13 system, as in iPhone 11. The amount of RAM will be 3 GB, flash memory, 32 or 128 GB, depending on configuration. The screen will have a diagonal of about 4.7 inches. The novelty will go on sale on April 3rd. The cost of the device will be in the region of $400 to $500.